My name is Dennis Snijders. I'm the manager for the Middle East and North African region, based out of Dubai. First of all, and I think foremost for most of our clients in the oil and gas industry, is we help maintain asset integrity in their mission critical equipment. That is on the high velocity thermal spray side. On the other side of the spectrum, where we have the CTEC ceramic coating, we help to optimize the efficiency of fired heaters. We're present in all the main GCC countries in the Middle Eastern region. That means Saudi Arabia, first and foremost, where we have our regional headquarters and our warehousing facility. We're present in Oman, in Qatar, in the UAE, where I'm based, and in Kuwait. Those are the 4 or 5 markets that are most important for us in the Middle East. And then we also have presence in Egypt. And from Egypt, we're covering the North African region. We want to start with a major oil and gas company in Saudi Arabia. We started working with them in 2013. We have replaced the usage of organic linings in their gas processing columns with our high velocity thermal spray coating system. Since 2013, we've done over 40 projects with the Saudi Arabian client. Many more to come in the future. I think that is a big anchor client for us in the Middle Eastern region. We also, for the CTEC side, had a major success with a refining company in Oman, where we applied our CTEC ceramic coating in 2017. The client had a return on investment or a payback period of less than 6 months. They've been operating the CCR unit where we applied the CTEC ceramic coating in 2017 for 5-6 years, and they came to us in 2022 and asked us to do another fresh coat of the radiant tubes in that same CCR unit to be able to bring them over to the next turnaround cycle, which was an extended period up to 2028. This is really one of the big projects and achievements that we realized in the GCC countries with CTEC ceramic coatings. IGS is a company that is operating globally. We have the ability, even though we're a relatively small company, I mean the total number of employees I think is around 365, we're able to execute worldwide projects that are planned, but also that are coming as an emergent opportunity. A very good example is the project that we're mobilizing for right now in Oman with a LNG plant, where we received the call to help them out with an integrity issue in one of their columns 2 weeks ago, and we managed to mobilize equipment, material, and manpower in less than 12 days time. And I think that's quite remarkable. Normally outages and shutdowns and turnarounds are planned well ahead, but I do think one of our biggest strengths is to be able to respond very quickly and professionally to these type of emergent opportunities. Also a good example of that is the way we've handled many projects at the start of the COVID crisis in 2020, where we've been able to maneuver our equipment, material and manpower resources, navigating through the different restrictions that were put up during that time, and still able to execute projects at the highest quality standards in time. And I think that is something that is remarkable for our company, that is unique to our company, our operational capability, and not always at the top of the mind of the client. But we can do that.